What's up, YouTube? It's Anthony from Meineke Cinnaminson. We are working on this customer's Mercedes 2016 Metris passenger. He purchased his own parts from Mercedes. We didn't get to diagnose this, but he did get a factory washer pump. So we installed it and it still didn't work properly. And I don't know what passes through the tank on the inside. It might be some little rubber thing that squeezes at the end. I've seen that. But even putting this in there, it still wouldn't spray right. So what I wound up doing is getting a piece of hose that just fits over this, and it's a little bit longer, and fishing that down inside the washer tank, and it actually works properly. So I suspect the grommet that goes between the washer tank and the pump is the problem that he was experiencing. Like I said, I didn't diagnose it. He supplied his own parts. But we did to get it to work, like I said, is made this piece longer with a piece of hose, and I fished that inside the washer tank, and it worked perfectly fine. So if you guys are out there working on one of these and have an issue, try that to get you through. If not, replace the grommet if it's available. If not, replace the washer tank and the pump at the same time. Thanks for watching.